In this video, I'm going to show you what is Moringa and how to harvest Moringa leaves. And I also cover what is the common mistake that people like me do when it comes to cleaning Moringa leaves. If you're here for the first time, welcome to Elsa Alchemy and let's get started. What is Moringa? Moringa oleifera is a magic tree found indigenous to India but also located in other tropical places. It is commonly known as drumstick tree. So why is Moringa so popular? Moringa can withstand both severe drought and mild frost conditions and hence widely cultivated across the world. With its high nutritive values, every part of the tree is suitable for either nutritional or commercial purposes. The leaves are rich in minerals, vitamins and other essential phytochemicals. Now let's look at some of the interesting facts of Moringa. Moringa is said to provide 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 15 times more potassium than bananas, and 25 times more iron than spinach. If you're getting some value from this video, can you hit that like button? It's gonna make me so happy and thank you for doing that. Okay, now let's climb some trees and harvest some Moringa leaves.
What?
I'm joking, you don't have to climb trees. So if you're using the leaves to make Moringa leaves curry or a stir fry with vegetables, it's generally tastier if you use the light green leaves. At least that's what I can tell by taste. The darker leaves are good, but light green ones are less bitter. So when you pluck the leaves, pluck the branches which are slender and easier to pull, that way you don't uproot the trees. Ignore the branches which have flowers because they get converted to drumsticks, so you don't want to disturb those branches. Are Moringa flowers edible? Yes, they are. People make a tea or a broth or a spicy soup called rasam from it. It's absolutely tasty. Where can I get Moringa leaves? Oops! If you're not in the tropics, then Moringa powder is the best source for you. But sometimes you can get these Moringa leaves in the Asian markets. Just try to identify the leaves when you spot them. Don't miss them out just because you didn't know. Okay, now to the common mistake that people like me do. Do not wash the leaves the minute you get it. Why? Because it's so difficult to get the leaves from the stems. You see how they stick to the hands? You don't want that. But that does not mean that you just cook without washing. This bunch of leaves comes from the home backyard. It's quite organic. There's no bird poop, no spider web or mud on it. Watch out for the next video where I got taught on how to make a delicious Moringa leaves recipe. Now even though Moringa is rich in nutrients, here's another food source that is at the top most of the nutrient-dense food list. Here's the video and I shall see you on another one. Take care.